Wegovy and ZEPBOUND, the two unbelievable breakthroughs in healthy weight loss. Despite all our efforts to get slim and trim, with no satisfactory results regarding our diet plans and weight loss, why is it that the more diets we have, the more weight we gain afterwards? Failure, disappointment, and more health issues. Is this what we are destined to face all our lives? Well, not at all. Some recent happenings have totally changed the weight loss scenario for us all. Obesity, particularly in the age group of 35 to 55, is not just a matter of physical appearance, but a significant health concern for us all. But not anymore. Enter Wegovy and ZEPBOUND, the two very recent FDA-approved drugs that have revolutionized the approach to weight loss. With extraordinary results and effectiveness, unlike the conventional diet plans, these medications offer a scientifically backed pathway to achieving and maintaining a healthy weight. And today, in this very special video, based on our intensive research and rigorous knowledge gathering, we will unveil to you how these FDA-approved weight loss drugs really work the wonders, how to administer these meds, what is their effectiveness, how much do they cost, and a comparison of which might be the better option for long-term weight management for you.
Plus, we will reveal which one of these drugs started selling like crazy after its public endorsement by Elon Musk, which not only gave him considerable weight loss, but quite a few burps along the journey as well. Stick around for a little while, you may regret missing the critical info we have for you all along.
This is Shape Squad, your trusted partner in nutritional health and fitness. Just a couple of years ago, this world witnessed a new revolution unfolding really fast. In June 2021, Wegovy made headlines when the FDA stamped its approval as a certified weight loss drug. This was a milestone for obesity drugs, as it really gave new hope and realistic options for many of us struggling with obesity and related health issues. And it did not just stop there. Soon after Wegovy, it was ZEPBOUND, securing FDA approval in November 2023, joining the elite group of the only modern drugs and medications specifically approved for weight loss. Results of both these drugs are highly impressive, with weight loss ranging up to 21% among the users of these drugs. They herald a departure from the traditional, often ineffective diet plans, offering us with a scientifically robust alternative. And before revealing which of these medications is endorsed by Elon Musk, causing a chaotic scene in the entire market, first, we will dissect the profiles of both ZEPBOUND and Wegovy, enabling you to make an informed choice in your weight loss journey. Let's first touch upon Wegovy, followed by the seemingly more effective ZEPBOUND. Approved in June 2021 by FDA, Wegovy, administered as a once-weekly injection, offers a robust solution for substantial weight reduction. Wegovy, known generically as semaglutide, operates by mimicking GLP-1, a hormone that regulates appetite and food intake. This mechanism is pivotal in its role for weight loss, as it helps reduce your hunger and calorie intake. It's prescribed for individuals aged 12 and over who are battling obesity, offering a wide spectrum of potential users a new tool in their weight loss endeavors. Clinical studies have shown remarkable results, with Wegovy users experiencing an average weight loss of around 15% over 68 weeks. This level of effectiveness is pretty significant, especially compared to traditional weight loss methods. However, it's important to be aware of potential side effects. Common issues include nausea, diarrhea, and constipation. Despite these, Wegovy's benefits in managing obesity have made it a popular choice for many seeking long-term weight loss solutions. And now, the very recently approved ZEPBOUND, known scientifically as tirzepatide, represents a significant advancement in obesity treatment. It employs a dual-acting approach by targeting both GLP-1 and GIP receptors, which are crucial in appetite and blood sugar regulation. This dual mechanism offers a more comprehensive strategy for weight control. In clinical trials, ZEPBOUND has demonstrated exceptional efficacy, with weight loss reaching up to 21% over 72 weeks in obese adults. This even surpasses the results seen with Wegovy. Administered as a once-weekly injection, ZEPBOUND's convenience factor is notable, though it also shares Wegovy's gastrointestinal side effects like nausea and diarrhea. Its introduction has significantly expanded the options available for effective long-term weight loss. Have you had any experience with any such medication in your life? Or do you solely rely on conventional diets for health and weight loss purposes? Do tell us about your choice in the comments. And now it's time for the comparative analysis, Wegovy versus Zepbound. Which one is better and why? In the comparison of Wegovy and Zepbound, several factors are crucial. Wegovy, using semaglutide, leads to about a 15% weight loss, beneficial for those looking for a substantial, steady reduction in weight. On the other hand, Zepbound, with tirzepatide, offers a slightly higher average weight loss, up to 21%, thanks to its dual-action formula. However, the cost of these drugs is a significant consideration. Let's first have a look at Wegovy's pricing. The cost of Wegovy can vary based on your insurance coverage and local pharmacy rates. For those with insurance coverage, the monthly supply might be as low as $25. Without insurance, the cost could be around $1,350 or more. And regarding Zepbound's pricing, Zepbound's list price is set at $1,060, making it about 20% less than the list price for Wegovy. This price is over $1,000, and it's still unclear whether insurance companies will entirely or partially cover the drug for obesity. The actual cost to patients will depend on their insurance coverage and potential discounts. These prices indicate that while both drugs are relatively expensive, Zepbound is slightly more affordable than Wegovy. However, the actual cost to patients can vary significantly based on insurance coverage and discounts. Ultimately, the choice between Wegovy and Zepbound may come down to your individual health needs, your doctor's recommendations, and importantly, your financial considerations. And now, it's time to reveal Elon Musk's choice regarding fitness and weight loss. Any guesses? Well, Elon Musk has publicly mentioned using Wegovy. In a response to a fan's question on Twitter about his fit and healthy appearance, Musk credited his transformation to fasting and Wegovy. This acknowledgement brought significant attention to the drug, even leading to increased consumption and a shortage of the medication. Do you feel like giving it a try? Do tell your opinion. Subscribe now to Shape Squad, as we are to bring more detailed insights about your health and fitness. We would be elaborating the difference in weight loss achieved through these medications in comparison to traditional diet plans like keto and vegan diet. Hit the like button if you found this video helpful, and do give your feedback in the comments section below. We are going to be back really soon with our next super informative and amazing fitness tips video for you. Meanwhile, check out our vast range of videos on healthy diet plans and weight loss methods by visiting our channel homepage. See you